Sakai Architects' latest masterpiece, the house in Toguchi, stands as a testament to the seamless integration of modern living with the serenity of nature. Designed for an emergency medicine physician and beautician couple with 3 children and a dog, this residence with an attached small hair salon is nestled in the lush landscape overlooking the Pacific Ocean in the northern part of Amami Oshima Island. Choosing this location for its tranquility and proximity to nature, the couple aim to raise their children surrounded by the beauty of the environment and to provide the physician with a refreshing retreat from the demands of The expansive 1,000 square meters site gently slopes from the mountain to the sea, and the house is thoughtfully laid out to minimize interference with the breathtaking landscape. Occupying the northwest section of the plot, the 2-story residence faces the mountain, while the ocean side is embraced by a terrace that acts as a seamless buffer between the indoors and outdoors. Tucked between them is a small hair salon, accessed not through a conventional front door but via the terrace, echoing an old custom where relatives and close friends used engawa as an entrance. This unique circulation strategy reflects a deep connection to tradition while creating a welcoming entrance experience for visitors. The residence's interior layout is a thoughtful orchestration of spaces, with the first floor housing the wet area and storage on the mountainside, and the living, dining, and kitchen on the ocean side. The second floor provides a private haven with the master bedroom and children's room. Clever design choices, such as a partially cut wall facing the double-height dining space and strategically positioned closets, foster an environment where the residents can feel each other's presence throughout the house. The glazed top of the salon ensures natural light while preserving customer privacy. All 3 areas, the residence, beauty salon, and terrace, are seamlessly connected under a shed roof that gracefully follows the site's slope. The house in Toguchi's structural framework, crafted from reinforced concrete, stands resilient against typhoons, a testament to the architect's consideration for the island's weather challenges. The roof, constructed from wood, not only reduces solar heat but also contributes to cost savings and soft ground improvement on the former farm field. Natural ventilation, facilitated by the hillside location, keeps the house comfortably cool throughout the year, eliminating the need for air conditioning even in the peak of summer. Strategically placed windows frame picturesque views of the sea and mountains, equipped with deep eaves to shield against harsh sunlight. The west facade, closed for privacy from the road, features skylights above the entrance and staircase, ensuring ample natural light penetration. The house in Toguchi is more than a residence, it is a haven designed to make its residents feel safe, protected, and deeply connected to the abundant nature of Amami Oshima. Sakai Architects have masterfully created a space where modern living harmoniously coexists with the tranquil embrace of the island's landscapes.